Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing a little extra cash before payday? Maybe an unexpected bill popped up, or an opportunity you just couldn't miss came knocking. We've all been there, right? And in those moments, the question becomes, where do you turn? Traditionally, you might think of banks, credit unions, or even asking family and friends. But in today's digital age, a new option has emerged: loan apps. And one name you might have heard is Branch. So, what exactly is the Branch loan app? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the specifics of Branch, let's talk a little bit more about the context. The rise of loan apps like Branch is a direct response to a few key factors. Firstly, the increasing accessibility of smartphones and mobile internet has created a huge market for mobile-first financial services. Secondly, traditional lending institutions often have strict requirements and lengthy approval processes, making it difficult for some people, especially those with limited credit history, to access credit. Loan apps aim to bridge this gap by offering a more streamlined and accessible borrowing experience. So, back to Branch. Branch is a mobile lending platform that provides quick and convenient loans directly to your mobile phone. It operates in several countries across Africa, Asia, and Latin America, focusing on emerging markets where access to traditional banking services might be limited. The core idea behind Branch is to provide fast, reliable, and accessible credit to individuals who may not have access to traditional banking or credit facilities. How does it work? Well, the process is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. You download the Branch app onto your smartphone, create an account, and then apply for a loan. The application process is entirely digital, meaning you don't have to visit a physical branch or fill out piles of paperwork. Instead, Branch uses data from your phone, such as your call logs, SMS messages, and even your location data, along with other information you provide, to assess your creditworthiness. This is where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional lenders who rely heavily on credit scores, Branch uses an algorithm to analyze this alternative data to determine your eligibility for a loan and the loan amount you qualify for. This approach has several advantages. It allows Branch to reach a wider audience, including people who might be considered unbanked or underbanked, those who don't have a traditional bank account or have limited access to credit. It also speeds up the loan approval process significantly. In many cases, you can receive a decision on your loan application within minutes. If approved, the loan is disbursed directly to your mobile money account or bank account, depending on your region. Now, let's talk about the specifics of the loans themselves. The loan amounts offered by Branch typically range from small short-term loans to more substantial amounts, depending on your creditworthiness and the specific market you're in. The repayment terms also vary, but they are usually designed to be flexible and manageable. You repay your loan through the app, often using mobile money or other digital payment methods. Of course, it's crucial to understand the costs involved. Like any lending product, Branch loans come with interest rates and fees. These vary depending on factors like the loan amount, the repayment term, and the country you're in. It's essential to carefully review the loan terms and conditions, including the interest rates and any applicable fees, before you accept a loan. This will allow you to make an informed decision and ensure you understand the total cost of borrowing. One key aspect to consider is responsible borrowing. While Branch offers a convenient way to access credit, it's crucial to borrow responsibly and only borrow what you can afford to repay. Failing to repay your loan on time can have negative consequences, including late fees and damage to your creditworthiness within the Branch ecosystem. Now, let's address some common questions people have about Branch. Is it safe? Branch employs security measures to protect your personal and financial information. However, like with any online service, it's important to be vigilant and protect your own data by using strong passwords and being cautious about sharing your login details. Is it regulated? Branch operates within the regulatory frameworks of the countries where it operates. It's always a good idea to research the regulations in your specific region. What are the benefits of using Branch? Well, the key benefits are speed, convenience, and accessibility. You can apply for a loan anytime, anywhere, directly from your smartphone. The approval process is fast, and the funds are disbursed quickly. And it provides access to credit for people who may not qualify for traditional bank loans. What are the potential drawbacks? It's important to be aware of the interest rates and fees associated with the loans. Also, relying too heavily on short-term loans can create a cycle of debt if not managed carefully. It's crucial to use these services responsibly. So, to recap, Branch is a mobile lending platform that offers quick and convenient loans directly to your mobile phone. It uses alternative data to assess creditworthiness, making it accessible to a wider audience. It's important to understand the loan terms, interest rates, and fees before borrowing and to borrow responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.